Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a tomato. Let's start off by drawing the stem. First, draw a line curving up, a short line across, and a line curving back down like so. Next, draw the thin leaves that go around the stem with a long wavy line going out and back in. Do that a few more times going all the way around to the other side, making each one slightly different to add some variety. Next, draw the tomato with a big, slightly lumpy oval. To add some more detail, draw a sharp line across the top of the stem, another line at the base of the stem, and some thin lines along each of the leaves. Lastly, finish it off with a long oval and a small oval on the upper right of the tomato to make it look shiny. And now you got a tomato! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.